Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Vivo X200 Fe so NFC actually works. First, make sure battery is above 20% and Android is up to date. This prevents drops during scanning. Next, enable NFC in settings connected devices. This activates the radio and kernel drivers. Once done, install an NFC utility like NXP Tag Info or NFC Tools to read tag memory and formats. You do this so you can both see raw tag data and test write permissions before proceeding to use cases. You now move into active scanning and writing steps. Open your chosen NFC app and pick Scan or Read. Hold the tag near the Vivo X200 Fe's top back antenna until the app reports a stable read. This ensures reliable coupling. If writing, select NDEF, choose payload type such as URL or text, and set encoding and size limits. You do this because incorrect formats cause unreadable tags. Then write and verify by rescanning. Once done, check tag UID and memory size so future operations are predictable. You finish by validating the tag with the intended app or device so the user experience is complete. Test the payload action. Open URL, pair device, or launch app, and make sure it triggers immediately. Make sure power save or battery optimization isn't disabling NFC. Adjust settings so NFC stays active when needed. If something goes wrong, reboot the Vivo, toggle NFC off/on, and retry with a different tag or format. This isolates hardware, software, and tag compatibility issues, and quickly reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.